Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. In 1885, the first patented trolley system was issued until VGK Incorporated literally reinvented the wheel. VGK, headquartered in Pella, Iowa, manufactures its patented oil-free stainless steel trolleys for plants that process pork, beef, and other animals. VGK has set a new standard for plant cleanliness in the meatpacking industry. This state-of-the-art trolley and matching stainless rail significantly reduces the risk of contamination associated with black iron trolleys and rails traditionally used throughout the meatpacking industry. Historically, meatpackers have used trolley oil to keep iron trolleys and rails from rusting and to hold in suspension steel shavings caused by metal-to-metal contact. Black speck contamination occurs when iron shavings and oil fall onto the meat as it moves through the plant. Although these black specks are not considered a food safety hazard, the specks nonetheless are required to be trimmed from the carcasses. The VGK trolley combines stainless steel with plastics to build a wheel that requires no oil and outlasts the old steel wheels. This VGK wheel eliminates metal-to-metal contact between the wheel and the rail, minimizing potential for black speck contamination. VGK is represented by Bunzl Processor Division and has served customers around the nation, such as Seaboard Foods of Oklahoma, Triumph Foods in Missouri, Indiana Packers in Indiana, along with STF and Prestige Foods in Iowa. Eliminate contamination and clean up your plant. Visit VGK at VGK-Inc.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.